Naturopathy. Insights. Your natural route to lasting wellness and personal transformation. Learn how naturopathy's holistic health approach can support your self-care, mindfulness, and journey to lasting personal transformation and wellness. Discovering naturopathy, a natural path to health and wellness. Hey there. Today I want to chat with you about something that's been on my mind a lot lately, naturopathy. You might have heard the term tossed around, but if you're curious about how natural, holistic approaches can actually support your journey toward better health and well-being, stick with me for a bit. I'm going to share some simple insights and tips that anyone can use to bring a little more balance, vitality, and self-care into their daily lives. So, what exactly is naturopathy? At its core, naturopathy is all about trusting the body's inherent ability to heal itself. It's a whole-person approach to health and wellness that focuses on natural therapies to encourage your body, mind, and spirit to work in harmony. Instead of just masking symptoms with medications, naturopathy looks at why those symptoms exist in the first place and helps you address root causes using things like nutrition, herbal medicine, physical therapies, and lifestyle changes. One thing that really stands out about naturopathy is how personalized it is. Every person's health journey is unique, and holistic health encourages treating each individual as a whole being, not just a collection of symptoms. This means that naturopathic care takes into account your mental health, emotional well-being, nutrition, sleep, exercise, and even your environment. These components all work together, and balancing them can lead to some serious personal transformation. If you're wondering how to start integrating naturopathic principles into your life, you don't have to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Here are a few practical ideas that can gradually build a healthier lifestyle for you. Focus on whole foods. Real, nutrient-dense foods are the foundation of good health. Try to cook meals from scratch with fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid overly processed options that are heavy on preservatives and artificial additives. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to check in with yourself. Mindfulness meditation or simple breathing exercises can reduce stress and help you become more aware of how your lifestyle choices impact your well-being. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is non-negotiable. It gives your body a chance to repair and reset. Create a soothing bedtime routine and aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water may sound basic, but it's key for almost all bodily functions. Herbal teas can also be a soothing alternative that supports digestion and relaxation. Move your body. Exercise doesn't mean you have to run marathons. Even gentle activities like walking, yoga, or stretching can boost circulation, improve mood, and aid detoxification. Natural remedies and supplements. Many naturopathic practitioners recommend herbs like turmeric, ginger, or echinacea, along with vitamins and minerals tailored to your needs. Always consult a professional before starting any new supplements. Self-care rituals. Whether it's soaking in a warm bath, journaling your thoughts, or spending time in nature, find what relaxes and rejuvenates you. Consistent self-care can prevent burnout and encourage long-term success. One of the compelling things about naturopathy is how it nurtures your mental health alongside your physical health. Stress, anxiety, and emotional burnout are so common today, and naturopathic care emphasizes practical self-help strategies to calm the nervous system and restore balance. It's no secret that adopting elements of a holistic health approach takes commitment, but the rewards are well worth it. By tuning into your body, making mindful choices, and embracing natural methods, you pave the way for lasting personal transformation. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress toward a healthier, more vibrant you. If you're inspired to explore more on the topic of health and wellness, I highly recommend checking out some books that bring these ideas to life, with even more actionable advice and inspiring stories. You can explore a variety of well-researched resources from Wellbeing Publishing. Explore the books now. They're a great way to deepen your understanding and support your journey toward holistic wellness and success in your daily life. Remember, your personal transformation starts with small steps, consistent self-care, and cultivating mindfulness. Naturopathy invites you to listen to your body's wisdom and honor the natural rhythms that keep you thriving. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you feel inspired to try something new today that supports your health and wellness.